Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Camry key fob battery. This is a simple task you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you will need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to help gently open the key fob casing. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now that you have your tools, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or a visible seam along the edge of the fob, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test your key fob. Try locking and unlocking your car doors from a short distance to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.